We'll guide you through Outlook email how to stop an address. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to stop receiving unwanted, spam, or harassing emails from specific senders. Constant unwanted messages can clutter the inbox and reduce productivity. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log in to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you enter the correct email address associated with your account to avoid login errors. After entering your email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process. Once you are successfully signed in, go to the Mail section to access your inbox and manage your email settings. Next, click the Settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen to open the Settings panel. From the Settings menu that appears, select Mail to access mail-related configuration options. Inside the Mail settings, click Junk Email to manage your spam and blocking preferences. Scroll down to the Senders section to find options related to allowed and blocked addresses. In this section, select Blocked Senders and Domains to view the list of email addresses that are currently blocked. To add a new address to this list, click Add Blocked Sender. A text field will appear where you can enter the email address you want to stop from contacting you. Carefully type the full email address to ensure accuracy. After entering the correct address, click OK to add it to the blocked list. Once the address has been added successfully, click Save to apply the changes and update your account settings. For the second method, click File on the top menu of the Outlook window to open additional account options. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access the configuration panel. Inside the Settings area, select Mail from the Settings menu to open Mail preferences. Then click Junk Email to manage your junk mail controls. Scroll down to the Senders section and select Blocked Senders and Domains to view and manage blocked addresses. Click Add Blocked Sender to insert a new email address into the blocked list. Type the email address you want to stop in the provided field, making sure it is correct. Click OK to add it to the blocked list. Then click Save to apply the changes and complete the process.